AI fatigue apparently not for investors. While many of us use ChatGPT to draft emails or make memes, we see us still writing billion-dollar checks as if it's monopoly money. In the first 8 months of 2025, Big Tech has already spent $155 billion on AI. So today, we are breaking down the top 10 AI startups valued over $1 billion in 2025. Spoilers, it's not just chatbots anymore. And if just me talking about unicorns, that'll be boring. So I'll share my ratings with you on a scale of 1 to 5. From the most magical moonshot to the most promising one. Let's get into it. So here's the top 10 AI unicorns. Kashi valuation at $2 billion. Betting on interest rate or election outcomes, Kashi is making predictions market mainstream. And with nearly $300 million raised and Sequoia backing, it's not just fun money, it's a whole new asset class powered by AI-driven forecasting. My rating is about a 3 out of 5. Why? This startup has huge potential, but regulations could slow down the growth. The bot company valuation at $2 billion, founded in 2024, already at a $2 billion valuation with just a $150 million raised. They are building a unified OS for robots. It's like an Android for phones. My rating is about a 4 out of 5. They are ambitious, risky, as a fundamental technology like Microsoft in the 90s. The upside is massive. Olipop valued at $2 billion. Yes, it's soda, but the ProBio soda brand is secretly a biotech plus AI company that got a bomb R&D and flavor design or AI-driven $240 million raised to date. A soda that heals your gut? Crazy, but maybe brilliant. My rating is about a 3 out of 5. This one is very quirky, but bored could be a trendsetter if health plus consumer tech converges. Function valued at $2.5 billion. It's an AI-driven personalized healthcare, think monitoring and coaching. Tailored to biology, backed by A16Z with $200 million in funding. Function is building what Apple Health promised but never delivered. My rating is about a 4 out of 5. Why? They have strong execution and a massive marketing opportunity. Although if Apple's catching up, we don't know. There are a lot of uncertainty there. Celestial AI valued at $2.5 billion. The future of chips? Not that one. Celestial AI's photonic fabric is a revolutionary technology that scales AI compute within packages and package-to-package across multiple racks. With $250 million from Fidelity and BlackRock, they may just build the next NVIDIA. Yeah, I hope. My ratings? 5 out of 5. Yeah, because they're doing infrastructure play, we need more competitors in the market. Peregrine, valued at $2.5 billion, founded in 2017. Peregrine integrates messy enterprise data systems and applies AI to unify and optimize them. It's not flashy, but it's vital. The growth of the data economy. Rating 3 out of 5. It sounds rock solid, but it's a difficult road. Average valued at $2.8 billion. Doctors spend hours typing notes. Average listens, transcribes, and structures everything instantly. Already adopted in hospitals with $460 million raised. This is AI co-pilot for doctors. My rating? Absolutely 5 out of 5. It's huge adoption potential, already resolving real-life challenges in healthcare. Plus, anything related to healthcare well-being of real human beings, just crack it out. Mercor, valued at $10 billion, matching companies to freelancers, similar to Upwork, but with more AI-focused. Explosively jumping to $10 billion valuation in just 3 years. My rating? 3 out of 5. The market is real, but it's a marketplace. Needs big money in the earlier stage to get traction. The valuation right now looks stretched. The next startup is also above $10 billion valuation. Cognition, $10.2 billion. The maker of Devon, an AI code agent that can replace the entire dev team. The product looks very cool, raised $400 million and growing fast. If coding agents become standard, this could be the new GitHub. My rating? Absolutely 5 out of 5. Great execution by far if scales could redefine how software is built in the future. Here comes the most magical story in Silicon Valley. Thinking Machine Labs, valued at $12 billion, founded in 2024 by former OpenAI CTO Mira Murati, raised $2 billion in a pre-seed funding. Their mission? Human-level reasoning, backed by VCs including A16Z, NVIDIA, and a bunch of AI hype VCs. This feels like OpenAI in 2018. My rating? 5 out of 5. They are ambitious, controversial. They're just a startup. It's like a bet on the philosophy of AI itself. So if they succeed, it could shape the next decade of AI. You may be wondering, why isn't the figure here? After all, our channel featured them as one of the top AI startups in 2024. Well, they're pretty much in a league of their own now. Founded in 2022, they've already raised over $1 billion, hitting a staggering of $39 billion valuation in their Series C. They are backed by renowned investors like Nvidia, Intel, Salesforce, LG, T-Mobile, Qualcomm, and so on. Figure isn't just building humanoid robots, they are scaling them into homes and commercial operations, designing their own GPU infrastructure, and launching an advanced data collection for Helix platform. Compared to the unicorns on this list, Figure looks less like a startup, but more like a self-sustaining organization now. If I ended a video here, it wouldn't meet my quality bar. So let's address the elephant in the room. Valuation isn't the same as a company's real value. You see, a $1 billion valuation doesn't mean someone would actually pay $1 billion for the company today. It's more of a bet on the future. If a $1 billion valued company sold now, the price will depend on what it has been really built: user base, revenue growth, licensed technology, intellectual properties, contracts, and other tangible assets. And let's not forget liabilities. In fact, business has been pretty tough in the past. $10 million in sales equals to $10 million valuation. If you've watched Shark Tank before, you know the drill. Founders walk in, investors multiply revenue by 1x or 2x, maybe more if the story is great. If we take a look at the smartphone startup Nothing, they just closed a $200 billion Series C led by Tiger Global in September 2025, hitting a $1.3 billion valuation. Sounds wild until you realize they crossed $1 billion in total sales earlier this year. Sales is a solid proof. The AI startup world doesn't always follow those rules. In 2025, Mr. AI raised $1.2 billion at a $6 billion valuation, but their revenue is only about $60 million. That's roughly a 100x multiple. That's not Shark Tank math. Now valuation isn't tied to the past sales, but to the promise of what AI may become in the future. So yes, the AI bubble is very real. Now that valuations aren't about revenue or polished business models, they are about leverage, narrative, and network effects. That's a game VCs are playing, and why some of these unicorns may not survive the ride. If you enjoy this breakdown, you may be interested in Musk's secret AI master plan or basic explainer of AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Subscribe to our channel and our newsletter so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next one.